So when you see the word network, what do you think?
Like big stuff.
Yeah. So Facebook is called a social network, right?
Yeah.
Things like LinkedIn are called your business network. So when we study networks, we're studying like these group of people that are all interacting together for the same cause. Makes sense? So in Facebook, they're all this group of people there for the intent of socializing. In LinkedIn, they're this group of people there to use each other's job references. And here we have domestic networks. So what that means is this is the group of people, usually family members and very close friends, who work together to make life more stable for everyone. That's their goal here. So, an example of that would be like babysitting for your friend on Monday so she can go shopping, and then she babysits for you so you can have a date night. So in the sense, you're both working together to make each other's life more stable. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So can you think of an example with family of like patterns that we develop to make life more stable for each other?
When they're in town, instead of them staying at a hotel, we stay at our house.
Perfect. Stay in home instead of hotel. Perfect. Another classic example would be like with spouses. If one spouse works late, the other makes dinner. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So the only little catch to this is these things called elastic boundaries. So obviously when we talk about boundaries, we're saying that there's some way that this is eventually not going to work out, right?
Yeah.
And elastic means that it's flexible, like it changes. So types of elastic boundaries would be things like death, marriage, end of a friendship. Essentially, they're just things that will disrupt the system that we have of the domestic network. So if you're not friends with this person anymore, then obviously your babysitting switch isn't going to happen anymore. Yeah. Or if the home of the relatives that you would stay in instead of the hotel die or get married and move, then you're not going to be able to stay in that home anymore. So when these boundaries come up and occur, the domestic network is disturbed. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so any questions on it?
No.
Okay.